You know that old saying, beauty is in the eye of the beholder? We've all heard it. But what if that's not quite the whole story? Today, we're diving into one of the oldest questions there is. Is beauty just a matter of taste, or is there something deeper, something hardwired into our biology?
I mean, have you ever really thought about it? Why can a sunset just stop you dead in your tracks? Or why does a genuine smile from someone feel so warm, before you even have a chance to process it?
Well, it turns out the answer isn't just in what our eyes are seeing, but what's happening deep inside our brains. So let's get into the science of it all and figure out what's really going on when we see something or someone and just think, wow.
Okay, so let's start with a really surprising idea. Seeing beauty isn't something you just passively do. It's actually a super fast decision your brain makes, way quicker than you can even think about it.
Seriously, think about it. Before you can even get the words, "that's beautiful," out of your mouth, your brain is already on it. It's analyzing shapes, colors, patterns, the whole shebang. It's this instant, almost primal gut reaction that happens way beneath your conscious thoughts.
So what in the world is happening in that split second? Well, it all comes down to one of the most powerful things in your head, the brain's reward system.
And the star of that show is a little chemical you've probably heard of, dopamine. Right, the feel-good chemical. It's tied to pleasure, motivation, all that good stuff. When you see something beautiful, your brain releases dopamine and it's basically shouting, hey, pay attention, this is good. And that's really the key here. Seeing beauty literally feels good. Your brain gives you this little hit of dopamine as a reward, kind of pushing you to seek out and appreciate things that it decides are harmonious or healthy or valuable. It's like our built-in motivation to connect with the world.
I love this quote, a festival of light. It's such a perfect way to describe what scientists actually see on brain scans. When people are looking at beautiful art or stunning landscapes, parts of their brain literally light up like a Christmas tree. Seeing beauty is not a passive thing at all. It's a full-on party inside your head.
But what's guiding this whole reaction? I mean, why does the party start? Well, it turns out our brains aren't just making stuff up. They're actually following a set of hidden rules, and a lot of them come straight from the natural world.
One of the biggest rules is our brain's love for symmetry. You know that feeling when something just looks balanced? It just feels right. And from an evolutionary standpoint, that makes total sense. In nature, symmetry usually means something is healthy and stable. Asymmetry, on the other hand, can be a red flag for danger or disease.
And then there's this number, 1.618. It doesn't look like much, does it? But this little number is like a secret key that unlocks so much of what we find beautiful.
Yep, this is the famous golden ratio. And once you know about it, I swear you will see it everywhere. It's in the spiral of a seashell, the petals on a flower, even in the shape of entire galaxies. And for centuries, we humans have been using it in our most amazing art and buildings, probably without even realizing it. It's like beauty has this hidden mathematical blueprint.
All of this kind of points to a bigger question, right? Why did we even evolve to have this sense of beauty? Well, way before we were painting masterpieces, beauty was all about one thing: survival.
Our brains basically evolved to take mental shortcuts. These things, they weren't about vanity. They were lightning-fast checks for vitality. Clear skin, probably healthy. Bright eyes, probably young. Strong posture, probably a good ally. These weren't just about looks. They were snap judgments about who would make a strong partner or a capable friend.
But okay, let's be real. It's not all just biology. Culture, time, and even how we see ourselves, they all play a huge role. What we think of as beautiful is definitely not set in stone. I mean, just look at how much it changes over time. What was considered beautiful in ancient Rome is totally different from the Renaissance, which is worlds away from the 1960s. And today, our standards are more diverse and global than ever. You could almost say that beauty changes its clothes, but that deep-down appreciation for things like health and harmony, that kind of sticks around.
And it goes even deeper still. Have you ever noticed how someone's genuine kindness just seems to make them glow? Or how confidence completely changes the way a person walks into a room? That's what you could call emotional beauty. Your brain is instantly decoding all these little signals, their posture, their expression, the warmth in their eyes, and that feeling can change how you see them faster than anything.
Which brings us to a really powerful final thought. When you can just accept yourself, your brain actually calms down. It produces fewer stress signals. Your body language naturally opens up. This isn't just some feel-good mantra. It's a real neurological state of being. The way you see yourself has a measurable physical effect.
So beauty is so much more than skin deep, isn't it? It's this incredible dance between our biology, a little bit of math, our evolutionary history, and our emotions. You can find it in the patterns of a leaf, in a simple act of kindness, and yeah, absolutely in the way you see yourself. Maybe beauty isn't something you go out and find, but something you just learn to recognize everywhere. So, with all that in mind, how are you going to see beauty differently now?